Hey, good morning, Facebook and YouTube. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are located at 7609 Southeast Overland Street, Milwaukie, Oregon 97222. And I can be reached directly at 503-939-0534. And I am willing to answer any questions and investigate anything that I possibly can to the best of my knowledge. Feel free to give me a call and I'll do my best to help you out. So what we're going to be doing here today is a little bit different than our three-phase clean. We're actually going to be doing maintenance style cleaning, but I don't call it maintenance cleaning because that doesn't really resonate with the customer too much. I call it a sanitizer, and what that is it's basically we're going to be doing two phases of our cleaning instead of all three. So again, we're going to be going with phase one with a good pre-vacuum. Then we're going to move over to phase two with a soil suspension application. But we're going to be doing an end cap, which we do anyways, and we're not going to be extracting. And we're also going to be running the CRB over stuff. So it's a slightly different caveat because we're not doing the steam out. However, we are going to be doing the steam out on the stairs, which is a little bit different anyways, because stairs get done by how you do stairs, and then everything else is three-phase. And we also have a bit of furniture we're going to be cleaning up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin with a good pre-vacuum to start with for phase one. Phase two, we're going to be putting down our chemical with the 3M multi-sprayer, and then we are going to agitate it well using our Brush Pro CRB and get that thing all cleaned up and looking very good. So what is really different here in this particular job is that we have cleaned this prior to the customer moving in to the home. However, we did not clean the stairs because he knew that the stairs are probably going to get hammered anyways, moving in, bringing furniture and all that stuff in. So this will be hot water extracted. But then as you can see, there's little bits of dirt and residue and stuff like that in the carpeting, which the carpets are clean as far as dirt accumulation goes. So we're going to vacuum, get any dirt up off the carpets as we possibly can, and then we are going to CRB them just to obliterate any additional residue and gunk that might be attached to the fibers, and they will look absolutely as beautiful as the day that we cleaned them.